Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to search on SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint has evolved a lot, and with its 2025 updates, searching for files, documents, and data has become faster and smarter than ever. Whether you're a business professional, student, or just curious, this quick guide will have you searching like a pro in no time. First things first, let's quickly cover what SharePoint is. It's Microsoft's collaborative platform designed for storing, organizing, and sharing content within teams or organizations. Think of it as a supercharged file explorer with built-in search magic. To get started, log into your SharePoint site using your Microsoft account. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. It's usually right next to the site logo. Type in your keywords, like Project Report 2025, and hit Enter. You'll get a list of results pulled from documents, sites, and even people. Now, for more precise results, dive into the advanced search features. Click on the filters icon next to the search bar. You can narrow down by file type, like PDF or Word, date modified, author, or even location. In 2025, SharePoint's AI enhancements mean it can understand natural language queries. Try something like, "Show me sales documents from last quarter," for smarter, context-aware results. One cool tip. Use quotes around phrases for exact matches, or add modifiers like and or or to combine terms. If you're dealing with a large site, save your searches for quick access later. But what if you run into issues? Common problems include no results showing up, which could be due to permissions. Double-check if you have access to the content. Also, refine your search by being more specific or using synonyms. Remember, SharePoint's search respects your organization's security settings, so not everything might be visible. There you have it. Mastering SharePoint search in 2025 can save you hours of digging through files. Give it a try, experiment with these steps, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.